Prima Sejati Sejahtera is a subsidiary of PT Pan Brothers Tbk Group, the Indonesia's largest garment manufacturer. Our headquarter and manufacturing facilities are located in Boyolali Central Java Indonesia. We are capable to produce from basic to high-tech garment covering casual pants, shirts, technical and functional jacket for hiking, snowboarding, tracksuits, other outdoor and GORE-TEX. Our biggest customers are Adidas, The North Face, Columbia, IKEA, Lacoste, and Polo Ralph Lauren. Our primary businesses are export-oriented, with most of our products reaching destinations to US, Europe, Canada, Asia, and Australia. We have representative office for material sourcing in Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, to serve customers in regional and global markets. Technologies applied in PSS are the latest Industrial 4.0 technologies, whereas the automation process set up starting from cutting, sewing up to finished goods. The automation process plays an important role to increase efficiency in our manufacturing process. Our automation covering 3D drawing, auto marking, auto cutting laser, auto stitching template machines, auto down filling machines, and hanger system. Digitalization is a must for sustainable manufacturing. Our digitalizations are the latest Indonesian digitalizations Indi 4.0. In our facility, digitalizations covering manufacturing execution system (MAS) with RFID, garment manufacturing system (GMS), SAP, HR system, and other digitalization innovations. We have supporting facilities to enhance our manufacturing process. Our supporting facilities for embroidery, printing, and garment dye located nearby the facility.
Indonesia government launched an assessment indicator for industry readiness level in implementing Industrial Era 4.0 technology, which is called Indi 4.0. Food and beverage, automations, chemicals, textile, apparel, and electronic. These 5 sectors are all key sectors in Indonesia economy and need to be aligned to government. PT PSS has participated in this program. From total 162 industry from 5 sectors and 24 industry from garment, we are awarded as the winner for digitalizations and automations.
At Pan Brothers, we believe that digitalization plays a key role and is an essential element of our business strategy. To become a winner in the competitive market today, it is crucial to make a timely decision based on the data that is accurate, and this is to be obtained through digitalization.
System Application Product (SAP) is used as a platform to monitor business process. To monitor the material procurement, delivery, and payment process, a web-based system is in place and accessible by suppliers. The vStitcher applications transform physical sample into digital sample processing. In the next process, digital data will be transferred to the automated pattern and marker software. Then, it's set automatically to the automatic cutting machine. Automation is implemented in a factory starting from the warehouse. ASRS, as an automated storage and retrieval system, is applied to maximize available storage and increasing inventory accuracy. CTEX is used for digital fabric inspection, then, following by digitalizing cutting and secondary process inspection, these informations will go to control room for analysis. Efficiency improvement is started from cutting process. IntelliCut is a fabric planning software installed to reduce planning time and maximize fabric utilization. MES, as a manufacturing execution system, has been installed to monitor input and output from production processes and provide overall control management from warehouse to finished goods in real time. PPA, as a pre-production assembly, created to maximize the efficiency in a swing line by centralizing component process and automation, so that can simplify the assembly line. Next step, RFID is used to control WIP, process balancing, and help immediate response. And then, by using fast reaction application, can obtain information such as updating line allocations data, production processes, and efficiency levels. Hanger system is installed to manage handling and movement within the assembly line. There are three digitalization systems in assembly lines. First, GSD, as a general swing data, can digitally control and complete swing processes in a minute. Second, DBA, as a digital process analysis installed in a tablet, helps to train operators to perform correct swing methods and elements with the GSD standards. And third, in the line digital inspections. GMS, as a garment manufacturing system, has been applied at the end of production line to control and record finishing goods before transforming the data to the ERP system. E-inspection data is accessible by internal and external parties. Production output, quality performance, efficiency, balancing process, as well as KPI availability, such as
SDP and DDP,
are monitoring and analyzing in the control room on an hourly basis. In 5 years, digital manufacturing has already decreased the ratio of sewing operators and non-sewing operators from 1 to 1.2 until 1 to 0.3 by swimming skilled and non-skilled workers and will reduce non-value added activities.
Change of customers' attitude toward fast fashions and global demand for high-quality clothing and stiff competitions, now mandating manufacturers to adopt the automations. PT PSS with vision clothing the world with Indonesian heart, gradually adapting end-to-end automations. Start from material checking, cutting, spreading, sewing, hanger system, printing, labeling. In order to increase productivity and quality consistency, the automations has fully support to our product capability, especially for complicated garment. First, CNC auto template for padded jacket. We have capacity 2.75 million pieces per season with total machine 347 units. Second, auto down filling for making down jackets. We have capacity 1.1 million per season with number of machines 18 nozzles. Third, sealing machine for seam-seal jackets. Capacity 0.5 million per season with number of machine 225 units. Fourth, seal GORE-TEX for GORE-TEX jackets. Capacity 156,000 per month.